school, I was just walking and some popcorn fell down, and just instinctively I picked it up and I ate it from the ground.
What was my first mobile?
I think everybody's first mobile was Nokia, no?
My first date?
My first date.
My first celeb crush?
I don't know, maybe I was in the 6th or the 7th. I don't like to leave any opportunities in life. My hair became curly. I have very curly hair. I was like very happy, put a clip and all and wearing a green frock, and there's a picture of that also, the green of. We reached and the Bombay humidity, my hair became like this. I'm like, why do I have?
Hi guys, this is Ankita. You're tuned to Bollywood Bubble, and today I have the most viral sensation of 2024 is the only summary for Shalini Pasi. Now there is something called about my first, pehli baar. So I'm going to give you a cue line and you're going to tell me what were the first memory or the first instance you have with them. Let's begin. Okay, this is all about Shalini's my first. My first social work project.
That was in school, and yes, so I was really good in painting, and I would make these huge cards. I would paint them like cartoon dogs or teddy bears. I loved teddy bears, and I would make brown teddy bears with clothes and all, like bow ties and little things, and I would sell them for like, I think 50 rupees or 100 rupees. And I used to paint all. I was very good at it because I cut out one teddy bear, and then I would, like, put another one and another one. So I used to paint one, then the second, then do the shading on the other, and I used to sell those in school and raise the money and give to like a charity in school.
How old were you, Shalini?
I don't know, maybe I was in the 6th or the 7th standard.
I had no idea what I was
And
doing.
then I started the UNESCO club in school. So that I did for like 2 years, and then I had to get into my college preparations and stuff like that. So
At 6th standard, I had no idea about my life. But
and
still.
I used to teach the children of the employees in school, the sweepers and all. So they behind our school we had this area where the families used to live, and there was so I used to teach those kids, and there was one of the kids got very attached to me, and if I was not there, then she would. So yeah, I used to go and actually help the children there, teach them, make them activities. Our school really encouraged us to do all these things. So
I think it's wonderful. They say it starts from the beginning, and you're beginning.
yeah, and then I used to, like, once there was a cat. He had given some kittens, and the cat died. So I took the kitten home.
बचपन से ही था ये.
Yeah. My mother's like, where is this? I'm like taking this little cat home. I was like maybe 7-8 years old. So I took the cat home.
What was my first mobile?
I think everybody's first mobile was Nokia, no?
The grey blue one. Kind of
Nokia,
thing.
no?
Nokia, I guess. Yeah.
No?
The big phone, na? The big cordless like.
This much. No,
Yeah,
it
this
was
much.
actually smaller than what we have now.
now.
Come on, that
Come on,
was
of
much
course.
smaller than
Much
what we had
smaller.
now. What are you saying?
I take my words back. The first vehicle you purchased?
The first vehicle, I think, was a Maruti 800. She could drive. It was compact.
You remember the
In
color?
school, I think it was navy blue because I love blue. It was like a blue color.
I remember the navy blue color though.
The blue was nice because it was a smaller car,
car.
and I had to learn, so I found it easier than
Nice.
that.
My first date.
My first date was probably with my husband.
So cute. My first celeb crush.
My first celeb crush, definitely Shashi Kapoor ji, I think, and Devanand ji,
Wow.
and yeah.
That's nice. My first trip with friends.
My first trip with friends was, I think, in school. I was in the 9th or the 10th. It was a school trip, so we went to Manali.
Oh yeah, I think we all have done
school. It was a school trip.
trip. Okay.
Yeah.
My first pet.
My first pet was Cherry, and
Cat, dog.
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 He was a street dog.
Oh,
Yeah. No, he was not a street dog, but he was like a mix.
Mix.
Yeah.
That also you picked from somewhere?
No, my uncle picked, my Chacha ji picked it up, and then my Chacha's family was allergic to dogs, so I took him.
You remember my first awkward moment?
My first awkward moment was actually I had gone to around Bombay. Is it lakes?
Yeah. Powai Lake.
Is it near Bombay, no?
Yeah,
or
Powai
Madhya
Lake.
Lake, something like
Powai
that.
Lake is here.
Or
Yeah.
Lonavala.
Lonavala. Yeah,
I'd gone to Lonavala with my cousins, and my hair became curly. I have very curly hair.
Yeah, I've seen
And-
the old pictures.
No, but very young pictures, like curly, like
Perm curly, like the very.
it's like curly,
Curly,
like
understood.
a curly, like a Sadarni curly hair.
Oh.
You got it?
Yes.
Like the full curly, like that curly. And I was like very happy, put a clip and all, and wearing a green frock. And there's a picture of that also, a green. And we reached, and Bombay humidity, my hair became like this. I'm like, why do I have this curly hair? Why can't I have straight hair? So for the longest time, I wanted to have like straight hair. But then I said, like finally I started loving my curls. That was a very awkward moment for me.
Of course, I think when girls are growing up, those things also.
And I think one moment was that when I was in school, I was just walking and some popcorn fell down, and just instinctively I picked it up and I ate it from the ground. I'm a kid. And then everyone was making fun of me that she's picking up popcorn from the ground. It was my own popcorn. It was not awkward, but then I was like, अरे मेरा ही popcorn था. And instinctively I said, वो गिरा तो मैंने उठा के खा लिया.
But even if it would have chocolate, I would have still picked it up. We have all done it.
With or going, मेरा popcorn गिर गए, तो instinctively I just picked it up. So that was not awkward. People made it awkward, but it was fine. What else?
It was cute, I would rather say. The first Bollywood film you watched?
I think with my grandparents would be probably like I think I remember Angur or Devanand's films or Raj. My grandfather loved Raj Kapoor ji's films. So like Awara and Shri 420.
Did you and Ridhima connect somewhere?
Yeah,
with
so with
Ratha?
Ridhima, yeah, because Ridhima's grandmother used to come to visit with Ritu auntie, Raj Kapoor ji's daughter.
Yeah.
And I would spend a lot of time. I really admire Ritu ji, and
What a strange life.
and Krishna auntie used to be there.
All the stories
and
would
she
have
used to
heard.
really admire. She used to say, "You're so beautiful. You're so lovely. Come and sit with me." And she was so affectionate. So yeah.
Life comes a beautiful
Yeah.
circle at times, I
Yeah.
feel. And lastly, what was your first thought about, my first thought, as would say, about Bollywood wives?
My first thought when I saw the earlier seasons or this season, or?
Like, when they came to you, like the first time.
Oh, when they came to me. So actually, they'd asked me for the second season also, just for the last part, Bhavna's.
Yeah, the last segment.
But
yeah.
I was, I was in London. I was getting an award at the House of Lords in December, so I couldn't. I couldn't miss that and be here for the shooting. So my thoughts were like, so when Karan told me, and then. So I was like, "Arey, are you pulling my leg? Like where? Like Bollywood wives or like Bombay centric? And I live in Delhi." So I said, I was like, "Okay, come on."
Let's do it.
No, I was like, "Yeah, are you sure?" Like I thought they were just kidding.
On a lighter note, as we are ending this particular segment, did it take a lot of convincing from Karan to you, or you were?
I was, I don't like to leave any opportunities in life because, I mean, opportunities come
For a reason.
for a reason, and then obviously, like, not everybody gets an opportunity also, and something which is coming to me, I go for it. I'm ready to work hard. I enjoy working hard. So if something is coming, I'll do it. So.
I'm telling you this, my first with Shalini had probably been my eye openers. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Hi, this is Shalini and you're watching me on Bollywood Bubble.